pictures of birds. These are for Gracie. You get January to June. That one is there's a great crested grebe. I don't know what the first one was. Let me go and have a look. Goldfinches first, then the great crested grebe. These are just pictures. I'm going to get some real ones for you before. And there is a female paradise duck. These are for Gracie's birds. And there's a male quail. Oh, these are New Zealand birds, eh? Now let's see what we get next. This one's called a tomtit. That's a maida. There we go. These are for Gracie. And then now we have Canada geese. You got lots of those in Canada. Those are for Gracie.